It's a little sketchy.
A little bit. Don't push it on.
I'd rather not squish me. Huh. Put the camera on the wrong side. Put these on here one night a couple weeks ago just because I got tired of it not having tires. Well, now I need them back. These are the original combat rims, and I'm hoping to get them fixed up and put them on the GPW here today. Well, not today, but in this video. Guess that's where we're gonna stop. So I'm done working on this Jeep for today. I took the tires off of it. Except for this one, I had to spare that I have, so that'll stay on it. Now the plan is when I get those combat rims finished, they'll go on this Jeep. And those 4 tires will then go on this Jeep. And coming up next, I'm about to switch out some tires from this Jeep as well. With the ones that are in the back. They're in better shape than the ones that are on it, as you can tell. Let's do that right now. what we're dealing with here.
This is not what you want your combat rims to look like.
You shouldn't be able to see my hand. That's bad. That's very bad. That was a lot of work for no reason.